Moving up. Whoa, shit. I got shot in leg then, fuck it. Dead man! Dead man. Dead man! Sorry, lad. Colour. Moving up.
Oh. Friendly, coming out!
Ah, good shot!
Coming out!
Dead man! It's a load of fun. Just think of it as fun. Cunt.
I said cross it. But you're not fine.
Ah! Hey, dead man!
They're in the green zone. They haven't walked through yet.
I got you at knots then, lad. He's dead. I'm gonna push out, you ready? Oh, dead man! Good shot, lad. Rev, are we allowed to push that way or is it just this way and through the labyrinth? Nice one. Oh, sorry, count. It's all right. I shot you. It's team kill. I'll take it. Lad, I'll take that. All right. Okay. Oh, good shot, dead man. I'm gonna make a push.
One straight ahead, one over an actual line.
Right.
So, window.
Yeah. Grenade! No kills. Good shot, dead man. I love him. Adds to the fun. Dead man! Pig's burst in my pocket.
Really?
Yep. Sorry, I've got a spare glass though, just in case. You've got a BB stuck in your head.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, sorry. You're welcome.
I usually find it in my ear for ages.
Right.
I just need somebody to make that play through to get to the
That's what I'm trying to get through.
Get to the labyrinth. Go around there. Try to go
Go
around
straight
there.
down, yeah.
I'm literally standing in that tent watching you, so don't go that way.
Nice one.
I'm gonna try to get this play going.
Okay.
Right, keep trying to go that way.
That way.
Yeah. Hey. Oh, no, wait.
Hey, good shot, dead man.
Shit.
I know, yeah.
I got to go with it back face first,
Yeah.
and then I just use my second shell in it.
Right. Okay. Okay. Right. Be careful of that corner, lad. Be careful of that corner. It'll pop out. Told you.
Don't even know where that is. The guy right down there, shoot the wall. When you flank him, like that. Here, you keep him stuck. You go shoot him.
Yeah, 1 sec. I've just spotted her.
Sorry, but I'm dead.
Oh, thank you.
Sorry. I just pure reactions, mate.
Don't worry, lad.
Hey, man.
Nice one. Blues move up. Blue move up, blue move up. Nice one.
Go in there. Keep moving.
Oh, surrender.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That close. This is it. Make your play.
Where am I going? To that far back tent?
You're gonna go here and flank, shoot them in the bum because they're spawn camping you effectively. You need to get the town.
So the people down there, yeah.
Come on, dude.
Great dead, mate. Don't you worry about it.
Oh! I'm on hit, bro.
Dead man.
Oh no! No!
Ah!
I was going to film it for you. I was going to follow you.
Oh, I was gonna go for a run then, but fuck.
Should have done make this loads there.
I know I took out 4 though.
Oh, that was sick. That was a good run, man. Well,
Listen. Dead man! Like, no. That corner, be careful.
Come on.
Oh, shit, sorry lad. Ready?
All run. Hang on.
Stand on! shit.
Got him.
Nice.
Go, go, go. Dead man! Rushed at corner. On me, lad, on me. Oh shit. Me.
Oh, that's a nice one. Is that a distance or was that point blank?
Close, point blank. I've been running in dead close, me.
Oh, I'm going to say, fucking hell, it's a bit of a nasty one. I'm going to get out there, this one.
Oh, a couple of minutes to bomb up. Yeah, I'm not arsed, to be fair. It's just a game, innit?
Yeah, that's it.
It does me head in though that people like beta males have stopped headshots.
Oh, no.
It does my fucking nutting.
It's so true as well.
It is. It fucking does me nutting. Oh god, yeah, don't fucking come airsoft.
I like it when they get in the lens. I'm like, oh,
Yeah, a good. Yeah, you hear that satisfying tink.
And then it's like, it hits you right on the end of the schnoz and you're like, oh.
Annoying thing as well. My vest is just fucked.
Yeah, do you like that one there?
Huh?
The nose last week.
Oh god.
Nice one.
Oh shit! I need to go and get my pistol. Test fire.